In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a shadow in Photoshop. So simply I'm just take this subject and crop this to increase size. Press on right mark, create new layer, to paste here white color, and copy this subject or copy this subject. Press on Ctrl plus T, press on mouse left side, flip vertical, adjust, drag your mouse and adjust in here. Press on right mark, press on this option, select to this and just up to down, adjust in here. Okay, and select this layer and create new layer, select, enter black color, Ctrl plus D to deselect, Ctrl plus D, zoom in, okay, filter, blur and Gaussian blur, increase to Gaussian blur. Okay, so that's it.